Oh God, don't leave it up to me. 'Cause all that I want, all that I want, all that I want.
Good morning everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to tell you that my camera is finally fixed. It was a really long drive from where I was, all along from Longoron, I don't know how to pronounce it, all the way back to Madrid. And I drove about 5 hours straight till I finally got to that Sony shop. And when I arrived at that Sony shop, I was so happy because they could tell me that they could fix the camera. It was some sort of a main problem with the main board or something inside the camera, and they fixed it. Not only I had a great news on the camera, I also started to explore Madrid a little bit. I made some new friends. I just randomly had the idea to ask some people out for having lunch, and I had a great time, and I met a lot of new people, and it was a nice get together with some girls, and it was good to have some girls time, to be honest, because I've been missing that out since I was with Joao all the time. And now I'm here in this really beautiful, let me show you, in this beautiful valley.
Darling, I will leave you satisfied. Forever past time.
I think these are all olive fields. I'm not 100% sure, or some sort of fields, but anyway. And I parked in front of this this old building as you see with the van. But we're gonna pack everything up now because we're gonna start driving now to Tudela, because there's Los Bandereras. Oh, I'm so bad with that. That's what I want to go. I want to take you there. I want to cook there. I want to show you some crazy landscapes that you almost feel like you're on some other planet, I promise you. So I'm really excited about that. But you know, we're gonna take it slow because it's still a 300-kilometer of a driving. So I'm not sure if we're gonna make it today, but we're gonna just enjoy the ride, singing some music, and yeah, trying to find a laundry shop as well so I can wash my clothes. By the way, I feel like yesterday I was dressed up nicely. I wore the same outfit again because I was like, I never get really ready in the van. So I really enjoyed my little skirt thing. Peña is obviously waiting for me to kick the ball. So yeah, guys, so I would say we go and chop chop. Okay guys, I'm in the middle of the highway. My car just stopped. It just all of a sudden stopped. I don't know if it's the battery, but I have to check now. Oh, come on. Everything was just fine. Okay, I'll have to check because it's hard to film for me right now, but I'm gonna keep you updated just so you know. I'm gonna check if it's the alternator of the car. I made it to the next gas station. I tried it again and again, and then it trying to turn on. So now I'm here and trying to figure out what the problem might be. I think it could be either the alternator, I try to adjust it a little bit, or the fuel in the diesel pipe, or the oil. I'll check all of them and see what it could be. Okay, so I just tried to figure out what it could be, and I was chatting with some of the people from my Instagram because I have a lot of mechanics there too, and we think it is the diesel filter because I remember that this kind of sort of thing happened to me one time before. So there is a mechanic just 3 minutes from here. I will try to drive as slowly as possible to the mechanic with the van to ask them for changing it. Whew, wish me luck, guys. I'm gonna clean up this mess now in there because I just realized that of course this has to happen on siesta, so everything is closed till 4. It's 2 o'clock now. I have 2 hours to kill. I bought myself some brain food in moments like this. I'm gonna clean this up now, relax, and then slowly make my way there. It's only 3 minutes away anyway, but yeah, I would say welcome back to van life. Part of it. Actually, I'm feeling good. I'm positive that the diesel filter is the problem, really. So yeah, I'm gonna clean this up and snack a little bit on brain food. Today was not a really successful day. I was waiting here and the mechanic, well, didn't really make too much of an effort trying to figure out what the problem is. He just kind of told me I should get my insurance and call them and try to find the solution in a different mechanic. So now he's there. Hola. No puedo.
No arranca.
No.
Vale, pues nada, me dijo que para llevarlo a la Soria. Soria.
Soria, sí. No sé. That's what's happening, and so Pena has to stay in the back, and I'm gonna go to the front, obviously, and he's gonna take me now actually 80 kilometers from here. It's gonna be a fair bit. So there you go. We arrived in a specific Volkswagen mechanic, so I'm gonna just spend the night here in the middle of the street. Not really the best, but there's nothing I can do. So here we are next to Audi. Okay. Well, there's nothing I can do, so I'll just be sleeping here tonight unless I get to a hotel, but I don't know if I should. Poor baby, he was inside all the time. So yeah, I haven't been really lucky much these days, but I think I sort of found a solution. It's just gonna be a little bit expensive probably. I don't know how much it's gonna cost. So if you want to help me out, if you watch the videos or watch any of my videos, maybe you just watch the ads and click on them so we can manage to repair everything and it doesn't cost too much. And I hope it's not too much of a big issue. So yeah, we will see tomorrow. I'll keep you updated. Today was really exhausting. I feel really tired. I'm just gonna hit the bed and try to fall asleep in the middle of the street. Nothing helps tonight than a good noodle soup and some cartoon. It's my favorite cartoon from back in the day, Swan Princess. I don't know if you know it.
I don't think she's gonna make it. She's real dead. Okay, come on, girl. Come on now. Oh, Dad? It's for you.
Good morning. I just got ready. We are still in front of the mechanic. It's right there. I'm gonna go there now to check it out and see what they say. Let's hope that it's not too bad, and let's hope it doesn't cost too much. So I'm actually pretty what do I say, confident about how things are rolling today. I'm pretty sure we're gonna find it. Let's do it. This is what I like to see. Okay, we are here now in the mechanic, and eventually they'll figure out what it is.
Vamos a lo primero, a llenar la bomba con la antigua.
So as we were all talking about what the problem might be, it is really that not enough fuel goes to the engine. Now we have to figure out if the tank is the problem or if it's the diesel filter that doesn't really give out too much, it doesn't give enough fuel. So that was the problem. I feel like they're really cute, to be honest, better than the last mechanic. They were just kicking me out and trying to get rid of me. We are just testing it right now in this method. Gosh, the car is already moving again. Officially, it's standing there. It was the diesel filter. I can't believe the solution was actually exactly what I thought it was, because yesterday, you know, I had a similar problem once before and the symptoms were similar, but then I went to that mechanic and they said it's not. So I kind of trusted them. But after all, now since I got here, they told me that actually it was the diesel filter, and it was not too pricey. Still, it was like $100. Still okay, although this is such an easy fix. I could have done that if I knew. Next time I'll know. I'll definitely travel with the diesel filter in case this happens again. Obviously it happens quite often. And now me and Penny, we are in this amazing little dog park where they just have, I don't know, everything. After all the trouble the last days, I'm just glad that now everything is sort of fixed and I can continue traveling. After all, everything turned out really well, and I think it's sort of, you know, life gives you those lemons and you just have to deal with them like a pro, and you get stronger each time you succeed and each time you overcome little stuff like that and not going all crazy. Oh. Ow. The laundry, I wanted to do it for, I think, 5 days now. It's overloaded. So today we're gonna just go to the laundry, and while being there, I gotta go to the toilet like urgently. Woohoo! And yeah, wash the clothes, so many of it. Supposedly the laundry shop is somewhere here around after Google Map. I found it. Okay, let me cross the street. I found it.
I think we started something, gonna tell the world again.
Finally some fresh clothes. Smell it and feel it. So it's pretty good. As you see, van life is not always that easy, and stuff like that always just happen when you at least expect it. But nevertheless, we managed to get out of there, and I hope I'll see you next time, because this is the picture where you see where I want to take you, and it really looks amazing, like we're on a different planet. So I'll hope you'll be there the next time, and I'll see you soon. Bye!
We don't have to burn out in the fire. No, we don't have to burn out in the fire.